Well guys, it's time for another adventure, and this time with my beautiful family at High Paradise Farm. We're going to be exploring the local area, seeing all the animals, doing a bit of tent camping and hanging out in our hammocks, and not forgetting cooking some amazing food around the fire. So I'll see you guys at camp. So we've just arrived at our camping destination and it's time to unpack the car and make ourselves a home for the weekend. A weekend of camping with the family in the sun starts now.
Daddy, we saw a butterfly!
Did you?
Yeah! That one who's laying down is called beanbag. That one is called pillow.
Absolutely gorgeous here. Beautiful. It's going to be a great weekend. So as you guys know, this is my wife Rachel.
Hi guys.
This weekend we're going to have a lovely family holiday, camping out in this beautiful tent, which I carried in.
Yeah, well.
So we're going to camp in here for a couple of nights, and then we're going to go over to the main field and test out a new tent, because we've got a lot of family camps coming up. It's a good excuse to test that out. But first, time for a beer and cook some burgers for our hungry kids. And I'm going to have some lovely steaks and things like that with the missus. So and get some wood chopped up and get the food all cooked up. What's your favourite thing about camping?
I don't know, your food.
My food?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good answer.
It's so yummy.
Oh, I'm going to remember that forever.
These aren't they? It's amazing.
You enjoying yourself, babe?
Really nice location. Tent's really warm inside and kids are really happy. They're playing hide and seek and they've had a little walk fight. And it's just nice that they can just play and just not worry about them. They're just off to there. So, great. It's a really nice location. The views are really nice as well of that field and all the wildflowers and stuff. It's great. It's lovely to come here. Looking forward to dinner though, I'm starving.
Well, it is time for dinner. Got some barbecue flavoured steaks Got some Chinese flavoured kebab skewers and also some Chinese pork belly. Lots of salad to balance it out. And I'm also going to have some of the Steak Detective breakfast sauce, which is a fruity spicy brown sauce with a hint of naga chili and is perfect on sausage, bacon and eggs, even in grilled sandwiches and much more. And I think this will taste lovely with this. So I'm going to crack this open, because I'm going to need it open for tomorrow for my breakfast. But it's going to be a good little taste test this. You enjoying your burger? Yeah, is it tasty? Oh yeah. Smell that, Bonnie. Smell good?
Okay.
You don't like it? It's definitely fruity and spicy. Ooh.
Yes, spicy.
Spicy. Do you like spicy?
No, I don't like spicy.
You don't like spicy. Can you hear that? Is that a birdie? But what a beautiful location for some great food and a great camp. Do you like camping, Bonnie? Yeah? What do you like about camping?
I'm playing.
Playing. Do you like playing outdoors?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And I like to build blocks.
You like to what?
I like to play with building blocks.
You like to play with building blocks?
Yeah, the pink one.
Pink ones?
Yeah.
A barbecue. Is it classed as a barbecue? You could cook on a stove?
Yeah.
Cool, whatever you want, innit? Well, the sun is setting and that food was absolutely gorgeous, so good. But the kids are very eager now for some s'mores over the campfire. So I'm gonna get a campfire going and have a little dessert before we put the kids to bed. And then me and Rachel can chill out and get to bed ourselves. Right, let's get that campfire going.
On the camping tent, on my top of the tent, and it looks like a candle. Oh, look, the fire! Yay! It's gonna warm us up real good. Put it like always in the fire. Yeah, right there. That's good. Try not to set it on fire. If it does, then just blow it on. Look. Oh, that's creepy. I think it's for anybody.
Pink pajamas, wearing pink pajamas, wearing pink pajamas when she comes.
Good morning, everybody. Hope you all slept well. I sure did. Me and Isla are the first ones up. Rachel and the rest of the girls are fast asleep, so me and Isla are gonna go and see the sheep. So why not come along with me as we go for a little explore. I've made some friends, guys. Oh, I'm gonna need a morning shower now. Oh, it's a good day. It's a good day at paradise. Well, they're not very friendly, are they?
What in the world is that? Stop it, I'm not evil. Why does not animals like me? Stop it.
The girls are just having the best time ever. And now I'm on breakfast duty. Gonna cook up a fry up, English fry up for me and the missus. And the girls are gonna have some pancakes and some fruit as well. Orange juice, apple juice. Gonna be tasty breakfast to set us up for the day. Yeah, it's because I've got the food and they're interested in that. How many more dogs are there? Huh? 5 doggies. One foot. Don't go too close. These sausages and bacon are smelling absolutely gorgeous. So much so, we had some visitors join us. I didn't realise how many dogs there were here. I love dogs though, it's not a problem. But they're not having my sausages. Another cheeky doggy has made it to our camp. I think it's for the sausages, huh? Come on in, come on. Over this way. Go on. Anything for a cheeky sausage. I mean, look at all those dogs behind me now.
Those two look like brothers.
I think they can smell the sausages, can't they?
Ask Mama.
Spicy filling dish. Well, after that amazing breakfast, we thought to ourselves, instead of going for a long walk and checking out the surrounding areas, we'll just spend the rest of the time and day here at High Paradise Farm. There's so much to do and see, and we've just had lots of fun seeing the animals, enjoying ice cream, and the kids just being kids, because after our long drive, arriving here yesterday, we just wanted to chill out and kick back. But as Rachel is preparing our evening meal, let's have a look what we've been up to today.
see which of the meatballs has won the meatball race. So, who do you think won the meatball race?
Oven.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
That oven won.
The oven can do a pizza in about 30 seconds.
Yeah. Come on, meatballs. Ooh. And I've just chopped up some veg left over from this morning just to put in with these ones. Just to add a bit of fibre day. I can't do this with one hand, so I'm going to have to put the camera down, but you'll see it in a minute. And as if by magic, there we go, nice bit of veg in there. And I'm going to get the other meatballs out because I have a fussy middle child who doesn't want sauce. So these are going to be for her, and these are going to have sauce in for everyone else. Lovely meatball bolognese. Some veggies in there, all done. Just need a bit of spaghetti and a bit of cheese.
What are you eating, Bonnie?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti? What else?
Meatballs.
Meatballs. Are you yummy?
Yeah.
Rachel's been very busy making meatballs and spaghetti. Lots of cheese. Is it nice, girls?
Mm-hmm. I didn't even try because I don't have a fork.
You haven't got a fork? Oh no.
There you go.
There's one that I just had.
Thank you, darling.
No problem.
Oh, there it is. I see it. The bunny.
Well, that food was absolutely amazing. But Ginny, who is the landowner here at the farm, has kindly offered to take me and the girls to go and see some of their livestock and some of the food they grow in here as well, and to check out the beehive as well. So the kids are very excited. So let's get over there and check it out. Well, he's bigger, isn't he?
Billy, Bunny, you like the name Billy. Bunny likes the name Billy. Billy. Oh, there's another pony. Come here. Billy. I just saw a white pony.
Well, so the white pony is called Isla. Isla Dancer is her formal name.
Hello.
Hi, Isla.
Hello.
So Isla's lived here her entire life, and she's 18.
Wow.
18.
She was born here. She's never left here.
The kids are absolutely loving it.
Mummy can only ever look after 2 of them. So what we do is we take one of the lambs away from them and we look after them ourselves, which means these are very, very friendly lambs. So when we go in, they'll probably come up and they'll push you and they'll nudge you because they think a human is their mummy.
Oh.
So it's very normal. They won't hurt you.
Whoa.
They'll just want to say hello. So these are brother and sister. So this one's the girl. This is called Bonnie.
Bonnie.
And then this is the boy, Bonnie and Clyde. So the boy has got big white tusks that come out of his mouth. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
So that's the boy. Imagine if you had a son, you were going to call him Clyde, right? So what name are we missing that we need to name an animal after?
Evelyn.
Evelyn, right. Okay.
That's me.
I'll work on that for next year. Evelyn.
I'm funny.
You can be a goat, a sheep, a duck, a chicken.
I'll be chicken.
You want to be a chicken?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Well, when we have some chickens this year, I'll find one and I'll send a picture to your dad.
The pea.
Oh, is that good, Clyde?
I think they love it.
I'm sure they'll like a blueberry.
I like blueberries too. I like strawberries. I bounced it on there.
Come on. The problem is the grass is greener, isn't it? And you guys want to be in here. So in the height of the summer, this is where all the fruit and veg come from for the whole tea room, as much as possible.
It's boiling in here.
It's warm, isn't it?
No, it's hot.
So what are you growing in here at the moment?
So there's everything. So grapevines, we have 2 grapevines, a red one and a white one. So we make wine every year,
Boiling.
just for our own personal consumption. Loads of strawberries, and we bed everything down with wool from the sheep, and then slugs don't go on them.
You did, yeah.
Everything stayed nice and high. The only thing is sometimes you get the taste of lanolin off the wool onto the strawberries, so you've got to be careful. Loads of sweet peas ready to still plant out. We've planted loads out already.
Boiling.
The nettles look ridiculous, but I cook with them. So
Yeah.
cook with everything. There's loads of plants. I think this is all plants. Sunflowers. There's pumpkins in. There's loads of tomatoes. This is all lettuce. So this stays lettuce bed for the entire duration, and it goes onto both sides. So we do like 3 different types of lettuce. Humongous amount of fennel, which I do actually go through a lot of it. All tomatoes right down. These are onions. This again looks like we've done more lettuce here this year, more sweet peas all the way down. What else will all be in? Asparagus at that end, which actually there's some really long ones still that I'm going to probably use this week. And then loads of herbs. We go through loads and loads of herbs, and I kind of ferment loads of stuff down for the winter, which is really nice. That's about it. Then outside we've got more beds of rhubarb and potatoes in, and all your kind of roots, which you can do outside. Yeah.
Oh, that's fantastic. So thank you very much, Ginny, for showing me and the girls around. We had lots of fun seeing the animals, and the girls got excited to see some animals named after them. Well, not intentionally, but a couple of them were named Isla and Bonnie. And Ginny kindly said that Evelyn can choose an animal of her liking, so she chose a chicken. So when she gets some more chickens, one's going to be called Evelyn, so that's going to be really cute. But that was a lot of fun. So what I need to do now is just tidy up camp a bit, enjoy the rest of the evening, and not forgetting more marshmallows. The camera doesn't do it justice, but that sunset is unreal. It's an absolutely massive orange circle, as the sun is, obviously. Morning, babe. You made me breakfast.
Yeah. Remember breakfast yesterday?
I did. You got watermelon.
Yeah, that's for the kids.
Hey, our friends come in, Bonnie.
Hello.
Hey, dude, come around here. Hey, good boy. Have you come to see me, or have you just come to eat my breakfast, huh? See what goodies we have. Baby chickie.
Goat.
Say goats.
Goat.
Go. Meh.
That.
Another beautiful morning.
Yeah.
Having a little walk with Bonnie. Seeing the animals. Do you like the animals, Bonnie?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's so nice just to let the girls go for a little run around and see the animals. We can see them pretty much anywhere where we are, which is ideal. You can see them just over there, seeing the animals. Right, I'm off for a morning shower. Rachel's told me off because I've not showered in a couple of days. I tend to go a bit wild and feral when I go out camping. But the shower's here. I'm here for 3 days, so I better get clean, right? Freshen up a little bit. Not a bad view from the showers. It's a good thing there's a shower curtain there. Don't want anyone looking in, do we? That was a much needed shower this morning. It's so nice having a shower and be able to listen to the birds. So I'm gonna get dressed now and start packing up and heading over to the field. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So we're pretty much packed up now. We've just loaded the car with our bags and me and Rachel are carrying the beds over to the field. So it should be a pretty easy job. So at least we're gonna have to put the beds together again, but we're gonna have to inflate the tent. But we're gonna also feed the kids, get some pizzas on because they're getting hungry, and we've got to feed them to keep them happy while we're putting up a tent. Now it's time to set up the OLPRO Discovery tent. I'm excited for this. Nice big family tent.
Wait.
We've had such a beautiful chilled day today, just relaxing and cooking food, and the kids just playing for hours in the hammocks, just swinging in them. It's been really lovely to see. We were going to go for a walk today, but me and Isla were suffering with a bit of heat stroke, I think, just being out in the sun for so many days, which we love. But I didn't wear my hat. Neither of us did, really. So, lesson learnt there. I wore my cowboy hat last time, but I don't know why. I completely forgot to put it on and bring it with me. But what I'm going to do is chop some wood and get the campfire going, because it's a little bit chilly now. Okay. I absolutely love it here. It's so beautiful. I just love like farms and the rusticness to them, and just being able to pet the lambs as well with Ginny's permission. It's been a fantastic weekend. I'm truly blessed. I feel so blessed right now. Enjoying the last evening around the fire, have a hot drink or a cold drink, whatever you fancy. Just chilling. It's been a fantastic weekend. Kids just enjoyed running around the farm, playing with the dogs, seeing all the farm animals. Ginny was very kind, just allowing us to go and see the livestock and all the fruit and veg that they're growing here. Yeah, it's been nice. It's been nice.
It's been really relaxing.
It's been relaxing.
It's such a nice, tranquil place, isn't it? It's just so chill.
Nice and peaceful.
And it's really beautiful this time of year. All the wildflowers are out.
Yeah,
Tulips.
especially the first 10 that was there.
It's just calm here as well, isn't it? It's so chill.
Yeah, having a good time. It's been a great weekend. And then tomorrow morning, have some breakfast, pack up, and then head on out. But yeah, it'd be sad to go. But it's been a great few days. So if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed it. We've had a fantastic time. What did you say, Bonnie?
Camping with us.
Are you camping with Josh?
Yeah, no.
Are you camping with Bonnie?
Yeah.
Well, good morning to another glorious day. Rachel and Evelyn are in the hammocks. We're going to cook some breakfast, slowly pack up, but It's a new day. It's a new day.
Ah, someone's drinking beer.
It's coffee.
What?
I'm drinking coffee.
I'm drinking beer. You're drinking beer.
It's coffee. It's always a sad time packing up, as it's always a good time camping out with the family. The kids have just been absolutely fantastic. No issues there. They're just getting to that right age now, especially for the youngest one, to go out camping and being outdoors. We've been camping as a family when they've all been very young. It's just raising them to appreciate nature and to love it and to respect it, and they get excited to go camping. They love it. We've had a really nice time. We've had a great time with the children, this beautiful weather that we've been blessed with, looking at the beautiful scenery and getting to see the animals up close and just enjoying some time in a tent down at the bottom where we first started, and then coming up to this field to test out our new tent by OLPRO. It's been beautiful. It's been a beautiful time, and good food was ate. We had a real good time, and cheers for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support. So until next time, guys, remember to stay wild and stay safe. Peace.